In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on Remove on the right. And wait! As you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, don't worry, I got you. Just hold your display and wait for all of those options at the bottom to show. Hit Widgets between Wallpaper and Icon Style. Look for Google App by scrolling down or clicking on this icon at the top right corner to search for it. Tap on it, swipe to the left until you find your search bar, and when you do, click on the green button, Add to home screen. Then you can tap on Home button, and in order to manage your search bar, hold it and drag it, or hold it and tap on Resize on the left to adjust it. Then click on Home button again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!